Hey guys, welcome to Wednesday. We are still learning about structural adaptations in science. And if you were here this week, if you were here yesterday, a structural adaptation is a physical feature, something that you can see on the animal that is an adaptation. It helps them survive, it helps them get food, and it helps them protect themselves. So, yesterday we looked at two different types of um, structural adaptations for animals. We looked at their eyes, and then we looked at their camouflage. Okay, and we talked about a little bit why that's important. Today, we're going to be identifying two more types of structural adaptations in animals by reading and watching videos, and then you're going to comment some things that you learned. So, the next type of structural adaptation we're going to be learning about is called fur. And fur, some furs are spotted, some furs can be different colors, and some furs, as you know, are long or short. Fur is a thick growth of hair that covers the skin of many animals. It is a defining characteristic of mammals. So, a mammal is like a warm blooded animal, they have fur. It consists of a combination of oily guard hair on top and thick fur beneath. The guard hair keeps moisture, and the underfur acts as an insulating blanket that keeps the animal warm. So, fur keeps animals warm. That is an adaptation. It keeps them warm, it keeps them safe. Um, the hair or fur that they have keeps moisture underneath them intact. So it's kind of like a layer of protection, I guess you can say. Um, all right. So that is a little bit about fur. Um, One way animals' fur changes to help them survive. Um, Learn about eight animals. What did you learn? So I'm going to put this link onto Classroom and you guys will be able to watch it. Next structural adaptation we'll talk about is claws. Okay. Claws are important for climbing, playing, escaping, catching food. Okay. And it's important for animals to feel safe. Claws are used for balance as well as isometric exercises to give them a nice stretch for the back muscles, shoulders, legs, and paws. Um, so it's not only something that keeps them safe and catching food and climbing things, but it's more for play for them too. They like to play with their claws. They run around and climb on trees and all these things with their claws. Um, and claws give them some nice exercises. So that's new learning for me. I didn't know animals can use their claws to exercise. All right. Why do they have claws? Okay, this is an animal called a badger, and most of them have massive front paws and claws right here, mainly for digging. So they use their claws to dig. With those claws, badgers can dig both forwards and backwards without a single problem. So they use their claws for digging. Maybe they're digging a hole for food, maybe they're digging a hole for shelter, for protection, things like that. A grizzly bear. Ooh, wouldn't want to mess with that. Look at that. Grizzly bear claws can grow up to 4 inches or even longer. Wow, 4 inches long. Those are long. And they are fairly straight. With such a strong, thick, and powerful claws, one paw swipe, sorry, I can't read today. One paw swipe from a grizzly can kill an animal as large as a moose. So think about how big a moose is. One swipe from these claws can kill it. So very, very dangerous stuff here. Okay, strong, strong claws. Harpy eagles. So this is an eagle. It's a type of bird. Massive talons along the extra curved back talons that are used to stab their prey. The back talons can reach up to 5 inches long, which is even longer than a grizzly's claws. So we talked about how long the grizzly claws are. This eagle, some of their claws are longer than that. Okay, these may be a little bit bigger and thicker, but these are longer. And eagles use their claws to stab their prey because their claws are on their feet. They don't have hands, they have wings. So their feet are their claws. And they'll pick up their prey with their feet when they're flying to stab them and bring them back to their nest or wherever they're eating it. Okay. Couple fun facts here. Another video about claws. What did you learn about the animals and how they use their claws? So watch that. Let me know. And this is what you're going to do today. You are going to comment 3 things you learned. Okay. You're going to watch the videos, watch this, go to classroom, comment 3 things you learned.